So let's start with nominative first. So what is nominative? Nominative is simply the subject of the sentence. So let's try and understand it with an example. So the sentence is I have a car. Here the subject is I, the verb is to have, and the object is a car. So if I try to write the same sentence in German, it will be Ich habe ein Auto. Here the nominative will be ich, the verb will be to haben, and accusative will be auto. So in simple words, nominative is simply the subject in the sentence. Thank you. Now we have to identify the accusative and dative cases in the sentence. So both accusative and dative are simply the objects. So there are few steps to decide if the object is accusative or dative. First is to identify the subject. That will be nominative. Then you have to identify the object or the objects. Now check if they fit the rules of dative. If yes, then it is dative. If not, then it is accusative. Thank you. So the first rule is who, what, and whom. So let us try to understand this with an example. So if I take a sentence, I give Peter a book. Here, who is I, what is book, and whom is Peter. Now, I will write the same sentence in German. So it will be Ich gebe Peter ein Buch. So again, who is Ich, what is book, and whom is Peter. Now, who will be nominative, what will be accusative, and whom will be dative. Thank you. The next rule is dative prepositions. So prepositions such as mit, ab, aus, by, gegenüber, nach, seit, von, and zu, these are the prepositions which make the nouns following them directly dative. The third rule is dative verbs. Now some verbs make the object directly dative. Examples are antworten and helfen. So we have a sentence in English, I answer you. Here, I is the subject and you is the object. Now if we write the same sentence in German, it will be Ich antworte dir. Here, ich is nominative and du is dative. And the fourth rule is vexel prepositions. These are an, auf, hinter, in, neben, über, unter, vor, and zwischen. So if we can justify that there is a change in position, then the object will be accusative, and if there is a description of position, the object will be dative. We will understand it better when we solve some example.